Welcome to the GASCCP Online Giving Guide. In this tutorial, you will learn how to get started by logging in, you will learn about donation history, and how to start a new gift and designation. To begin, visit gasccp.americascharities.stratuslive.com. Click Sign In from the top right corner of the screen. The pledge process consists of the 5 steps shown in this diagram. Each step is outlined in detail in this tutorial. Click Sign In from the top right corner of the site. Reference the chart on the logon page for credentials to enter the online giving portal. Your username is your first initial plus your last name plus your employee ID. For example, John Doe's username would be jdoe123456778. Your password is GA plus your employee ID. For example, John Doe's password would be GA123456778. If you need assistance, contact the Donor Services team by email at help@charities.org, by phone by dialing 800-458-9505 and select option 3, or visit www.charities.org/support. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the pledge site homepage. Notice that your username will display in the upper right-hand corner of the site. Please click the Pledge Now button to start the donation process. After you click Pledge Now, the next screen you see on your computer will depend on whether you are a donor with giving history or a donor without giving history. Which one are you? Donors with giving history are donors who gave through the GASCCP last year. Donors without giving history are donors who did not give through the GASCCP last year. Donors with giving history. If you participated in the GASCCP last year, your pledge history has already been loaded into the giving site. You can easily renew or edit your gift from last year by clicking the Renew a Gift from Last Year option. Alternatively, if you would like to support a new nonprofit this year, then you can select the Start a New Gift and Designation option. Some tips on giving history. If any prior year donations are not reflected in your giving history, it may be due to one of the following reasons. Donations by check are not reflected in pledge history as they are not renewable donations. Prior donations made to a charity that is not eligible in the current campaign year are not included in pledge history as these donations are not renewable. Charities that are not listed may not have applied or may not be eligible to participate. To obtain pledge history, please contact Donor Support Services by any of the following methods. Email by emailing help@charities.org, phone by dialing 800-458-9505 and dial 3 when prompted, or by live chat and donor support services portal by visiting www.charities.org/support. If you choose to renew a gift from last year, click on the circular radio button next to the gift you would like to renew to view an expanded box with details about that gift, including which charity was supported and how much was donated. You can either keep all pledge details the same, or you can increase your pledge by entering a new gift total. Once you have made your selections, click Continue to the Edit Profile page. Donors without giving history. After clicking Pledge Now from the landing page, you will be taken directly to the Edit Profile page. Whether you renew a gift from last year or start a brand new gift this year, you will be asked to edit your profile. Please enter your contact information. The information you enter here will be shared with the charities you choose to support for acknowledgement purposes. You can opt in or opt out from sharing your contact information during the final step of the donation process. At any point during the donation process, you can return to this step and edit your profile. Click Continue to go to the next step. Now it's time to select a payment method. You may support your favorite nonprofits online via the following payment methods: payroll deduction and credit card. Please note, this giving site only allows donations by one payment method during a single transaction. To donate using both recurring payroll and credit card, please complete all donations for each payment method in separate transactions. For example, if you select payroll, then choose all the charities you would like to donate to via recurring payroll and complete the donation process. After submitting your recurring payroll donations, to initiate a donation by credit card payment method, return to the home screen and start a new pledge. From the pop-up box that appears on your screen, click Add next to your preferred payment method. After you click Add, the pop-up box will close and automatically take you to the gift payment setup page. Giving by payroll deduction. The amount you enter is the amount you would like deducted from your paycheck each month. Once you enter an amount, it will automatically use the number of pay periods to calculate the total annual gift. That information will display on the right side of your screen under the Your Pledge So Far section. In the next step, you will allocate the total annual gift amount between your designated charities. To give by credit card, please enter the total annual gift amount you would like to donate. Then, select your credit card type and input your credit card information. Please note, all credit card gifts will incur a 3.5% per transaction fee from your carrier. Once you have entered the amount you would like to donate, that information will display on the right of the screen under the heading Your Pledge So Far. Now it's time to find your favorite charities to support. Click the Find a Charity button to search for charities. A pop-up box will appear. Use the charity name, city, state, territory, and EIN search features to find a specific organization, or you can click through the alphabetical list. For a description about a charity, click on that charity's logo or name, and more information about the charity will display. When you find a charity to support, click Add, and that charity will display at the bottom under the Selected Charities section. You can add as many charities as you want, and once you've finished adding charities you would like to support, click the Add to Designation button. Now it's time to designate your pledge to each charity. You will have the opportunity to allocate your total pledge amount between the organizations you have added to your list of designations. To specify how much money to donate to each, use the slider tool or enter the exact amount in the donation box next to the charity. To adjust the total amount you would like to pledge, click the Previous button to return to the payment method screen. The charities you selected will all remain saved on your list until you are ready to submit your pledge. Now it's time to review and submit your pledge. You will have one final chance to review your gift and designations, and will also be able to select whether your gifts remain anonymous or whether you would like to grant permission to have your contact information shared with the charities or charity you've supported through this campaign. If you would like to make any changes to your gift, select Previous, and you may make those changes. When you are happy with your pledge, click Finish to submit your pledge. Modifying a gift or making additional donations. If you would like to make additional donations or edit your pledge, you may edit your payroll donations anytime during the campaign enrollment period. Just log into the pledge site, select Pledging from the top navigation menu, and click on My Pledges. Select the Modify a Gift from this campaign button to edit an existing donation you made during this campaign, or select Start a New Gift in Designations to make a donation in addition to the pledges you have already submitted. Please note, if you select Modify a Gift, you must complete all steps of the process and resubmit that gift. Otherwise, your gift will be incomplete and will not be processed. Need help? For assistance, email help@charities.org. Submit a support request online at www.charities.org/support or call 1-800-458-9505 and dial 3 when prompted.